Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard in Valorant. Vanguard is Riot Games' custom-built anti-cheat system, essential for maintaining fair play. It operates at a kernel level, constantly monitoring for unauthorized software and suspicious activity. You'll need to install it to launch Valorant, and it will automatically start with your computer, ensuring a secure gaming environment from the moment you boot up. Let's dive into the simple steps. Installing Vanguard is straightforward because it comes bundled with Valorant. First, download the Valorant client directly from the official Riot Games website. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen instructions. The entire process usually takes only a few minutes. After installation, a system restart is absolutely necessary for Vanguard to properly integrate and begin its protective functions. Don't skip this crucial step. After restarting your computer, verify Vanguard is running by looking for its small shield icon in your system tray, usually near the clock. If you don't see it, a simple computer restart often resolves the issue. Sometimes, other security software can conflict, so ensure those are not interfering. If problems persist, a complete reinstallation of Valorant and Vanguard might be necessary to ensure everything is correctly configured for a smooth gaming experience. Encountering issues with Vanguard can be frustrating, but common fixes exist. First, ensure your operating system is fully updated. Outdated systems can cause conflicts. Temporarily disabling any third-party antivirus software might also help, as they can sometimes flag Vanguard incorrectly. Try running Valorant as an administrator to grant necessary permissions. If these steps don't work, don't hesitate to reach out to Riot Games support. They have dedicated teams ready to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.